Planner Wednesday. This spread is from September the 6th through the 12th. And what we're going to be doing today, I went through my pile of stickers and I have such a collection. These Crafter Square stickers that are all about a ballerina, and I love them. I think they are so high-end looking. If you would see these at Michael's or Joann's, oh, trust me, even Hobby Lobby, you would pay more than $1, okay? And then I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree washi because it just reminds me of like a ballerina when she's up on point with those little points. And then this is the paper that I've decided to use. I love this paper. It is so pretty. And this paper right here reminds me of these flowers right here on the ballerina's shoes. I think that is going to be such a cute little spread. Then I'm just going to be using my pink flamingo Bic permanent marker, okay? So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. And I really did enjoy doing this school theme. I thought it was really cute. Okay, I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread. Like I said, I loved it. It came out of, both of these came out of a Michael's Hot Buy pad that I've had for quite a while. And if you're new to my planners, you can write in these and keep yourself on track because it has a monthly at a glance, but I just do this as a creative outlet. That's totally what I do it for because I love to plan the spreads that I'm going to do. Okay, and this just reminded me of the ballerina's kind of like her laces on this. I thought that was so pretty. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. And somebody asked why I don't just put my paper glue on this. And it's because some people actually like to hear me. They think it's relaxing when I put the glue on it, the paper. So that's why I do it that way. Go put that one like that. Okay, this is going to be so cute. So let's start gluing our paper down. And it really doesn't wrinkle the paper. You can see it's straight. But if you want to do yours different, definitely can. I really like that. That's so cute. Okay, that is adorable. All right, let's start putting our washi down. And that will be hidden. Okay, then I'm going to turn it this way to give the spread a more finished look. That, I really do like that. Okay, that is really cute. All right, so let's get our Dollar Tree stickers. These are just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to put this little piano here, right here. And I think I will put Dancing Queen right up here. And that is so pretty. I think I'll put that right like that. And I'll put this base right in here, I think. And the record player, put that right there. Okay, and her little ballerina shoes. Like I said, that reminds me of these flowers. I'll put those right there. Her little tiara. That there. Put her gloves right there. And then here is a necklace. Put that right there. It looks just like those flowers. And then the last thing is this little hat with, once again, a flower. So pretty. I'll put that right there. Okay, now I usually just write on here my upload schedule. If you wanted, you could go ahead and write in here, but like I said, my Big Happy Planner has a monthly at a glance that you could keep yourself on track with if you want. I just think that's personally just cute, so I just do it. Okay, let's put my pages back inside of my planner and take a look at this. But I think this spread is really cute. And it's so easy and economical to do. Look at that, how pretty it looks, so festive. I really wish I had had another thing to put up here. Let me look. There, I like that better. So, like I said, I love Dollar Tree stickers and washi. I think they go quite well together. And I love how this paper, like I said, it was a hot buy at Michael's, just works perfectly with the little elements in these stickers. They are so cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So you got two videos today. You got the Dollar Tree haul and this one. And this will come up after the Dollar Tree haul, so be on the lookout for the Dollar Tree haul. So I will see you Friday, and I'm pretty sure we are going to start our fall DIYs back up. So excited. So until next time, bye guys.